Pump it up, baby. Pump it up. Pump it up.
Lauren! Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
Troy, what are you doing here?
His name is
I
Troy.
already told you, I don't want to see you anymore.
Sorry, Dal. But I really wanted to see ya.
Can you say rape? Oh yeah. I'm gonna let him get a little in before I do the right thing. Alright, that's enough rapage. Stop it. Hey. Is that Francis?
You want, asshole?
Lauren,
From Left 4 Dead? What the fuck you doing
alright.
raping prostitutes now?
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser.
Oh, what? Hell no.
You again? If you're looking for trouble, you found it. I'm gonna beat the
Whoop
shit
your
out of
gay bar ass. Oh shit. Get some. No, you can't touch it, man. I'm fucking Shelby. Bow. Fucking Incredible Hulk in this bitch. I may be big and asthmatic, but I know how to rumble. Pick up a chair? Oh my god. The fuck did he knock me? Those oranges? The fuck? Oh! Press the button! Shit! Oh my god. Nope. Back it up. Heck yeah! Shelby no— oh, this dude got a bottle? Shelby knows how to rumble. Shelby knows how to rumble. No, you're not. No, you're not. Saw that friggin' private eye trainer right there. You seen Inspector Gadget? Give it up, son. Give it up, Francis. Holy shit. You tried to hit me with a mannequin head? Oh yeah. Oh, you getting it now, boy. Get your boy-headed ass out of here.
I'll see you again, asshole.
Are you alright?
better than him, I guess. Who is he?
An ex-client who thinks he owns me. He was getting violent, and I told him I didn't want to see him anymore.
Well, you should be careful. He'll probably be back. Sorry about the mess.
Mr. Shelby,
Yeah.
thanks.
Eat my ass. I'm overweight, old, asthmatic, and your whole ass got people coming in here trying to get some rape action on. No, I don't know, you know. What's up with all these ugly ass people? It's like a Tommy Hilfiger model. I'm not even gonna lie, that shit was epic as hell. That whole rumble scene with Francis, the gay biker. It's Tuesday, 8:05 a.m. with 680 inches of rain. Oh, it was like raining like this like a couple days ago. Love the rain. I want it to rain again. I think it was raining, what's today? Thursday? I think it was raining like Tuesday morning or something like that. Dang, this dude got dope too? What's up with everybody in there dope? Yeah, just put it aside. Yeah, you got it. Now I gotta tell you guys something now. There's this horrible ass glitch on this level. I wish I could turn the camera over. Okay, to the right side is like this homeless guy just chilling. I tried to like beat him up just by, you know, walking into him and talking mess, and all of a sudden my fucking PlayStation froze and the game crashed. This homeless ass still up? You see him? You can't really, you just like look right there. Okay, don't move then, bitch. But he moved like as soon as I moved the camera. Yep, see his arm move? Do not mess with that homeless dude. Your game will crash.
The zone is sectioned off, sir. Please step back.
Agent Norman Jaden, FBI.
You got a badge or something, Mr. Jaden?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, I got the badge
Yeah,
of
of
honor.
course.
It's called your mama's underwear. Check that shit out. Bam.
Check.
That's
You
what I
can pass.
thought. Your fucking swashbuckling mustache.
I'm looking for Lieutenant Blake. Is he around?
I saw him arrive earlier. He's here somewhere.
Thanks.
Hell out of my damn way.
Video memo recording, Agent 47023, Norman Jayden, Tuesday, October 4th, 2011. Time
It's
is
2011.
8:14 a.m.
Cool. It's funny how they have all this high-tech shit and this stuff ain't nowhere near in existence yet. But all I got to say is fucking dark. That's how this whole game is. But you know, you light up the scene. So you, what you literally do, you just walk around and you just palm shit and then it comes up.
Unrelated to the investigation.
Alright, cool. Footprints. I don't give a fuck, I'll walk over. Oh, what's that?
Some orchid pollen. The concentration of pollen in the air is quickly decreasing because of the rain, but it gets higher in the direction of the
Yeah,
body.
the origami killer puts orchids on the body. Check these train tracks. Ooh, what's that stuff? Come on. I'm afraid to go on these train tracks. You hear shit coming? Oh no, that ain't coming. I hope, because I can't see nothing. It's fucking dark. I'm wearing sunglasses at night. What if I was just doing this and I just
Dead
got hit?
cat. The FBI doesn't keep files on dead cats.
A dead cat?
Not yet.
What am I gonna do with a dead cat? Just keep. Oh, some down there.
Very common. Pollen particles disappear in the tall grass. It's probably the end of the trail.
What's this?
Very common. Traces of blood on the railroad track. The blood report indicates an advanced and long-lasting state of exhaustion.
Or death. Whichever came first. I was tired after I was dead, man. There's the body right here, I'm guessing. Whoa, I never noticed that.
Hey,
So fucking bright.
you there! What are you doing?
Lieutenant Blake? I'm Agent Norman Jayden from the FBI. I went by your office this morning. They told me to be here.
Now, if you're looking for rain, dead bodies, and highways, you come to the right place. Mike, will you tell that asshole with the bulldozer to stop for 5 minutes? I can't hear myself think here.
What
Right
they got
away,
a bulldozer
Lieutenant.
over there for?
Well, are you coming, Jayden?
No, I'm not. No, well, might as well.
So, what happened?
Some guy taking his dog for a piss found a body about 6 o'clock this morning. We don't know much
It's
more
this
right
dark
now.
and it's 8 o'clock in the morning.
Based on what
This
we've
shit is
seen,
awesome.
looks like the work of the origami killer. Any news on the coroner? He's on his way, Lieutenant. We've been waiting for an hour, for fuck's sake.
Any witnesses?
None yet. Given the neighborhood, I'd be surprised if anybody saw anything.
Has the time of death been established?
Oh shit, where am I going?
Based on the rigor mortis, must be less than 6 hours
Rigor
ago.
mortis.
We should know more once the coroner has had a look.
Do we know the cause of death?
There are no marks on the body. Chances are he was drowned, like the others. Tony, I don't want to see a single shit-stirring journalist within a mile of here. You got it?
Yes, Lieutenant.